Hey everybody, my name is Ivan Korda here from FordMuscle.com, and I wanted to introduce you guys to our 69 F100 project. We bought this truck a few months ago for a Pro Touring Resto Mod style build, and it came originally equipped with a C6 automatic, and we really wanted to do something where it was manually shifted, that we could autocross the vehicle, really enjoy it on the back roads, and hopefully do some road course racing with it. So step one was bringing it over to the guys and girls at Silver Sport Transmissions to have them retrofit a kit into this old truck. One of the really nice things about this kit that I really noticed first impression wise was the really short pedal travel before the clutch engages. It's really in a perfect sweet spot, probably about 2 inches off the floor, very easy to control, and the clutch pedal feel with the new hydraulics is super soft, so it should really be easy to modulate during autocross operations and just spirited driving. Another super nice feature with this T56 Magnum paired up with the Silver Sport Transmissions short throw shifter is the reduced travel. It is super short when it comes through rolling through the gears, which is super important because we have a really long handle because we're sitting in a truck. But yeah, very, very short travel and very confidence inspiring. It's not very difficult to find the gears, and this thing finds its way back to neutral very easily. Another really cool feature with this kit, safety-wise, is that Silver Sport incorporates a neutral safety switch, so the truck will not start until clutch is actually engaged. I know that's super common, but when you're doing an aftermarket swap, it's nice to work with somebody that actually, thinks of everything, including safety. So here we go. We're gonna take this thing for a drive. Yeah, first thing you notice is clutch is just super smooth, super easy to operate, does not require a whole lot of pedal feel. This truck feels like I'm driving a boat, but the transmission really does a fantastic job. Very easy to shift, and they really place the handle in a perfect position. This is probably the third or fourth time we've driven this truck because we got it in completely stock form. It's been sitting for about 8 years, so it's time to take this thing down to the studs and really get into putting new brakes on it and going through all the suspension and bringing the rest of the truck up to the same standards as the T56 in here. This transmission, the feel is totally different than the old C6. I mean, it's so much more direct. That old tired C6 has definitely had a long life. Pretty impressed with it, so stay tuned for some more coverage.